Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.1 fifth sum. Let's see the question. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the point ABCD. Champa and Chamili walks into the class and after observing a few minutes, Champa asks Chamili, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chamili disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them are correct. So, there are 4 friends sitting in ABCD. They have given the diagram this way. It is ABCD are seated. They are seated, and we need to find whether this is a square or not. Don't you think ABCD is a square? So Champa asked Chamli that it is a square or not. She disagrees. We need to check whether this is a square or not. For square, remember that we need to find all the distance, we need to find all the length of the sides and also the diagonals. We need to find. If all the sides are equal, we can't say that it is a square. It can also be a rhombus. So for square, we need to find the length of the sides and also the length of the diagonal. For that, your length, we need to use the distance formula to find it. Now the point A is here. It is 3. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. We know that this is x and this is y. We have learnt in smaller classes. Here always we used to write the coordinate as x comma y. So for A it is 3 comma 4. The point is, for x it is in 3, for y it is in 4. So 3 comma 4. Write A to be 3 comma 4. For point B, always see the x first. It is 6. So 6 comma 7. Point B is 6 comma 7. Now let's see C. C is 9 comma 4. So C 9 comma 4. For D 6 comma 1. So x axis and then the y axis. So this point in 6 and 1. So D is 6 comma 1. So using these points, using these coordinates, we are going to find it whether it is a square or not. For that we want distance formula. Distance of AB. Write the formula first, which is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is given. Now I am going to take first AB. So AB, for that the points are 3 comma 4 and 6 comma 7. So this will be x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. Just substitute in the distance formula. Distance of AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is 6 minus 3 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 the whole square. This is equal to root of, if I subtract, I get 3 square plus 3 square, which is equal to root of 9 plus 9, that is 18. If I do prime factorization of root 18 into 3, 1 3 will come out from the root, so it becomes 3 root 2. So AB will become 3 root 2. The same way we need to find BC. For B the points are 6 comma 7 and for C it is 9 comma 4. So already we have written the distance formula. Just substitute the values. Here this minus the first one minus the first one. So 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. So this becomes 3 square plus minus 3 the whole square. So here root of 3 square 9 and here is also 3 square 9. It is root 18. Already we have found of root 18 to be 3 root 2. So BC is 3 root 2. We'll find CD and DA now. For C and D, C is 9 comma 4, D is 6 comma 1. Length of CD will be equal to the distance 6 minus 9 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is equal to root of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square. This becomes 9 plus 3 square will become 9 plus 9, which is root 18, and we have found root 18 to be 3 root 2. So we have found the value of CD. Same way for DA, 6 comma 1, for A 3 comma 4. You can write A first or D first, anything, any way you can write, the answer will be the same, so no worries. Here root of 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. If we subtract, we get minus 3 the whole square plus 3 square. This becomes root 9 plus 9 root 18, which is nothing but 3 root 2. So we have found DA. Now we have found all the sides are equal, but we can't say it is a square if all sides are equal, because in rhombus also all sides are equal. So now we will find the diagonals, the distance, the length of the diagonal by using the distance formula. Diagonals are AC and BD will be the diagonals for a square. If ABCD, remember that AC will be the diagonal, BD will be the diagonal. So first we will find AC as well as BD, this side I will find. Now for AC the points are 3 comma 4, C is 9 comma 4, for B 6 comma 7, for D 6 comma 1. We will find both together. Here root of for AC, it is 9 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 the whole square. 9 minus 3 is 6 square, 4 is 0. So here 6 square and root get cancelled. So AC will be equal to 6. Same way we will find this side BD, x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 6 the whole square plus 1 minus 7 the whole square. So here it becomes root 0 plus minus 6 the whole square. Here square and root get cancelled. Before that, minus into minus will become plus. So plus 6 square, the square and root get cancelled, it becomes 6. Now the diagonals are equal. We know that as AB equal to BC equal to BD, sorry, CD equal to DA equal to 3 root 2 and AC equal to BD equal to 6. So we can write this to be as all the sides and the diagonals are equal, therefore ABCD is a square. Champa is correct. So they are asking who is correct. So Champa's statement is correct, that it is a square. So we found that all the sides are equal as well as the diagonals are equal. So Champa statement is correct, that it is a square. That's all with the sum. Thank you.